2, 3, funky.
We're back, and today I'm gonna do a little like get ready with me to take Instagram photos, because you're already seeing like the whole behind the scenes of me taking and editing. So why not show you the before all of that, the picking the outfit, the taking the shower. I'm out of breath. How do you even do anything? And the makeup. So that's gonna be fun. And we're gonna go get ice cream later. So I might record a little bit of that, make it into like a mini vlog and to get ready with me. So let's go hop in the shower and I'll be right back. Hi.
What is that? What is that? Wait!
Alright, now that we're all done blow drying my hair, I'm probably not going to style it, only because in my photos I do like different styles kind of for each one. I was going to straighten it, but like what's the point if I'm just going to change it? Oh my god, it looks so cloudy. I really hope it doesn't rain. Like, look at this. Hold on. Oh, it's so cloudy. I am not here for it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, do my makeup. There's not really anything like extra about that. Matt is gonna be back, I don't know, probably in about 20-30 minutes, and then I gotta get Junior ready and we're gonna go, I think we're gonna get ice cream first, I'm not sure, but we're gonna go to a small town by me and hopefully get some cute Instagram photos. I need a lot of photos, so I'm gonna bring like 7 outfits. Matt's gonna hate me, but I don't care. Anything for the gram. So on Instagram, you'll see the ones I'll probably be choosing, or like this or that type of deal. So let's get into the headbands in my photos. I just feel like damn, that bitch got a big forehead. That's what I feel like in headbands. Did anybody else like those stretchy like headbands? Like it was just like a stretchy piece of fabric, like cover like 90% of their forehead and not even pull back their hair with one? Yeah, because I used to be that person. Okay, so do not, and I repeat, do not forget about your sunscreen. This is the one I use, and honestly, I love it. But honestly, you can never have too much sunscreen. I think I'm gonna add some more. I need my actual primer, wherever that's at. I use Milani Rose Primer, and it smells so good. It makes your skin look silky smooth. I absolutely love this primer. Oh, there's a child. We're about to go see what he's up to. Oh. Hi, baby. Can you say hi? Matthew, say hi. Say hi. No? Okay. So much for my gate. Here. No. No. Child? No, 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 no. 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 Are you pooping? No. No. No, no, no. No. Ah, cacas. Really, kid? No. Okay. Stop it. Thank you. No. No. What? Where's my this? Thank you. Alright, now that makeup is done. We're gonna go ahead and pick some outfits. Okay. It says it's not supposed to rain today. It actually says it's supposed to be sunny, but I don't even know. You tell me, like, sun, where are you? Okay, let's get to the fits. Alright, so we got 3 of the fits picked out. I'll go ahead and show you what I have right now. This first outfit is some tan high-waisted bell bottoms that are super fucking cute, but like I can never find anything to match. So I went on Pinterest, and a lot of people match this color with white, so I went with like this white like tennis top. It's cute. I love it. This outfit I came up with because I was like, you know what? I need to do this. So it's just a pair of some baggy jeans. I hooked my own little chain right here by the knees. We're going to put fishnets underneath the jeans, and then a piece of hair. No. And then we're going to have a white cropped tank top, these tan Jordans for some color. Then this is actually a 2-piece set, but you can't even tell when they're touching each other. Like, it just looks like a dress. And I just think it's super cute, innocent, and who doesn't love a cute dress with some sandals? So I'm going to go ahead and pick out 3 or 4 more outfits, see what I can come up with. On deck in this messy bedroom is literally just a sports bra and some biker shorts, but I'm going to cover the pink with this jacket because I couldn't think of anything else, and nobody ever sees me looking sporty. So that's that. Super easy, casual, and still looks like you get up and do what you gotta do. Also, we're not gonna get into the mess. It's bad. I literally went through so many outfits trying to I wanted 7. We got 5. So yeah. So this outfit's just like a black nightgown, whatever, turned into a cute little summer dress, and then a headscarf because I think it looks cute. Also, we can't forget the essentials. When I leave, I'm gonna take my hairbrush, a couple hair clips, which I'm grabbing right now, and then jewelry, so I can just swap it out for each picture. And this has the essential jewelry in there, so we're gonna take that. That's all I have. It's not a lot. See them on my Insta. Don't forget to follow. And yeah, if you have any questions, comment, whatever, do what you got to. And I'm gonna go take some photos and get ice cream. Love you. Mwah. All right, we got the tote, the tripod, so. that's all I had for that video. I really hope you enjoyed and got some information or learned something new. I thought it would be fun to just kind of show you the pre-process of before I go out and take photos, since I've already made a video about that. So let me know if there's anything new that you want to see, anything that you have a question about. Feel free to comment or even DM me on Instagram. I'm always active on that and reply fairly quickly. So I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye!